A rainy day in Melbourne.
Oh yeah, indeed. Good place.
3, 4 are going to conference.
They put on a barbecue for us.
Sir, what is your name? Sir,
Me?
your name?
Who?
Ah,
Me?
ah.
Me?
Yes.
Jason.
From which university?
Huh?
Which university?
University of Auckland,
Auckland, New Zealand.
New Zealand. Yes.
Your name?
I'm Christian from University of Jyväskylä in Finland.
Finland. Okay. Your name?
Marcelo.
Jyväskylä in Finland.
I'm from State Court of Ceará in Brazil.
Brazil. Government servant, public servant, right?
Yes.
Mine?
Yeah. So we 4 are attending the
in Finland.
conference
He's
in
Brazil.
University of
Brazil.
Melbourne. I am from India.
We can hear that.
India.
We can hear your accent.
These names are
We are going by Uber
He's
due to rain. Otherwise, it is very walkable distance
a filmmaker.
from Imagine Lighthouse Hotel to University of Melbourne. Very short distance. It is tram. Tram is going on there.
Pretty much we're in your
Tram
hands.
tram stop is there. Elizabeth Street. Yeah. Tram is going on. This is tram route.
KFC. Awesome.
No,
No, not awesome.
no.
Sudden rain.
I knew I
bad.
could go anywhere.
That is tram.
Yeah, how
This is
annoying.
tram route. This is tram track.
Annoying.
This is just beside the car.
Sometimes there's
This is the track of the tram.
There's a bit off.
wrong. Well,
They
that's
have
very
written
off
T.
there.
Yes.
T for tram.
Very off.
Yeah, one tram is there.
So I
You
don't
can see the
bring
tram.
that.
Right side.
No, now we're on the train. So these guys were just standing there thinking about what they were going
Well, they
to
were
do.
going to walk. They're going to walk in the rain, I thought.
Oh, that's
Tram
okay.
station. These are.
Yeah, so.
Well, they get a lot of rain in Norway, so they're used to it.
Ah.
Not so much in India.
Rain falls suddenly.
Huh?
Rain falls suddenly here.
Yeah.
I hope.
It's not too bad. It's raining, but it's.
Oh, it's going to be very strong. There's
Oh, is it?
massive fronts, hot and cold fronts coming across. Massive storm this afternoon.
Massive storm.
Huge storm.
Gosh.
Huge. Like nearly 100k winds and rain
What?
and storm.
Oh my
About
gosh.
4 o'clock.
About 4 o'clock.
There's a major horse race in
Can I open the mirror?
The mirror?
This right side, yeah. To my side.
You mean the window?
Yeah, yeah. Or some more.
You can do it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. Beautiful Melbourne morning. Morning view of the Melbourne. Beauty of the city has doubled in the rain. Russell Street, Victoria Street.
Making a taco at the back there.
Are you talking to yourself or are you making it?
I'm making video.
What's the highlight so far?
I'm making video for a YouTube. Yeah. 1865 church.
and you get hello from the Uber driver.
Sure. Good service.
Yeah, so either you go back to your hotel or airport,
Or you're stuck in
or you
100k
stay.
winds.
Good traffic sense is there. So many traffic lights are there.
Rain.
People are not in hurry.
With this rain being today.
Yeah. Will it be there for continuous day, ma'am? This rain will be there for continuous full day. Ah. Tomorrow also. Okay. That is FM. Yeah, there another tram.
It's best if you talk a little slowly. Mr. India,
Yeah,
what is your name?
Sriram.
Sudan.
Yes, ma'am.
Slow down the talk. And then we can understand you.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. See? It's better already.
Tram is moving.
This is awesome.
Another tram is coming.
Family's coming. Commentary.
He's the only in the car with the accent.
Huh?
Not no,
Oh yeah, we all got accents.
Another tram. So many trams are moving.
Oh yes, he's the Kiwi fellow.
And he made a mistake.
Really?
I take him a chocolate.
Another alternative. One of them the chocolate pecan. You see that? Oh,
Tram that side.
it's like a cocktail, isn't it? You could have gone in a cocktail. We went to Tasmania.
That is our hotel. Our hotel is that one. We moved from this one yesterday. Yes. Oh. From here we walked yesterday. Beautiful Melbourne. Yeah. So beautiful. This rain weather. We're moving towards University of Melbourne. Yeah, we almost reached. This is University of Melbourne. It's very HTT.
Cool. Thank you very much.